everyone, a very welcome back to my another video, and I hope you are enjoying your English speaking journey. So, as you know, I am an English learner, so I am here to improve my English, and that's why I am uploading video day by day. So today I will talk about something different because as I told you, whatever I will listen through the podcast, I will explain with you. So like that I'm doing, and also I'm doing the things right now. But the things happening and I have, you know what? I questioned myself. Yeah, if I'm doing like that, I listen podcast and I will try to explain my words. So it's okay and it is good to trying the things in your way. It means in my way, in my words. So yeah, it's good, and when you listen a podcast, you consume new words and new informations and new things, and this might be really helpful. Like I also told in my previous video whatever I listen and what things I give some points, and I will try to share with you. I also follow the things. So the question is, this is also helpful if I continue this series. It means following like listen podcast, and I will explain in my own words. So the question is basically, is it that? And but I thought no, it is not actually work proper way, because I want to improve my English as well. I want to become, you know what, a effective communicator. So you know what, when you decided to become like this, so you have to do the things a proper way. So right now, what things I'm doing, I'm just listening to things, and I am standing in the front of camera. Then I will try to explain my own words. Okay. So I think this is good for improving English and consuming new vocabs and new informations. But a little, I think a little, you know what we can say, lack in my journey is conversation. Yeah. So as I told you many times in my previous video, this is the things I will repeat it, but I will not take seriously, because I want to upload the videos, and I want to improve my English. So that's why I just listen podcast and I learn some vocabulary. As well, I try to explain the things. So before that, I will practice. Then sometimes I will practice. Okay, but when the time is record the video, before that, sometimes I practice in the front of mirror. Then I will record, and sometimes I suddenly open the camera and I will try to record myself. And as I record myself day by day, and as I told you, like that I make a plan. So the things is, what's happening? Yeah, the things is going same right now. But I want to change something. And as I told you, I talk the things with ChatGPT. You know what? So these things I'm missing. And yeah, and you know what? Why I'm saying? Because as I told you, whatever I will do, I did it. You know what, really? But I miss these things because sometimes I skip talking with ChatGPT. I think this is the, you know what, this is the bad thing and bad habit to skipping the conversation with ChatGPT and any AI tools who is helping you, to improve your English and who is help like a partner. So I decided I will talk with ChatGPT daily basis because I am saying with you, I'm saying you because whatever I will say you, I will definitely follow the things. So this is all for today, and yeah, in my another video, or we can say some video, in next video I will definitely show how we will start talk with ChatGPT. So till then, take care and don't forget your practice.